Okay, hey everyone. I'm not sure. Okay, let me just test this because I'm not sure if it's working. I don't do much lives. It says it's streaming right now. Okay, I'm there already. That's fine. Yeah. Welcome to Smart Trader Club YouTube channel. Hopefully it works fine. Okay, and then we'll go ahead. It's a requested live. Like so many member was asking me question in my group, Facebook group. The links are under this video of every single group or anything. You can just read it, steam it, and whatever is there. Okay, you can follow or do whatever you want. Okay, so basically this is steam where the time it takes to them come join us. I just share with you about SteamS. I mean, it's a free platform and you can do a lot of things. You can just post here. I spend more time here than Facebook now because this pays me a lot more. This each Steam dollar worth a lot more. Let me just see. I always show this because I want everyone to make money like I do, you know. There is no referral commission, anything that benefits me, but I just want others to, yeah, make some money. It's down but always recovers. I've seen this going down and it's very hard to even catch it, the dips of Steam dollar. So it normally the average is $6, so everything you earn there you multiply with this. I'm a long term there, so I'm not worried about that anyways. Okay, so alright, so that's fine. Walaikum salam, love you, bye. Love you too, brother. Great post, keep it up. I love you too. Coin for short term. Okay, we already bought the coins and I already sold at around 10% profit and something like that. I bought a lot of them. Actually, how many were there? I bought ETC, Stratis, TRX, and few others. I only kept ETC for now because I have a strong news and I sold half of it and still kept the half, and I have a little bit Steam coin to buy more Steam power. That's why I bought those. Should we sell BTC to buy USDT, please? No, I wouldn't do that right now. At this point, no. You are late. BTC dumped already $2,000 and 15% in last 3 hours, and this is just ridiculous to even think of selling at this point. I mean, it does have a huge support. It's not a shit coin that just goes down and it can't go down that much. There is a point that it needs to stop at some point. Okay, right now Bitcoin did dip. I was expecting that dip, the one that came here just now at 11,900. I was busy doing this, setting up this live and everything, and I missed the dips of the arts because I sold to rebuy them, not to just sell and just forget about them. I went to have a breakfast and all those things. So yeah, Cardano, let's see where is it right now. The coins won't like go up so quickly. Okay, you need to understand this. There's so much FUD in the market and the coins won't go up easily. I mean, it will take time. But the Cardano was on support. If you haven't watched my video on Cardano, I'm not sure. Let me see if I can put chat here. Guys, let me know if you can see the chat. 1 second. About the chat. If you can see the chat on the right side, let me know. I don't think so. Let me see myself. Alright. I have 2 monitors, so it just helps to have a better control on everything. Okay, sure. You see the chat. Fine. I mean the chat on the side of the screen. No, you don't, because it shows the black screen. Okay, you don't even need to see the chat. You are already seeing the chat. It's for me only. On the side, so you may see the black on the side. That's the chat there. Why market is down today? Just because of there's Luna. Chinese Asian New Year is coming, and whenever that was coming in the past, we had market dumps. I saw an article. Let me just find. Give me a second. Let me just find the article. It was someone shared in the comments in our group, Facebook group. Let me just find that. A second, and then we'll go ahead. Okay, there's so many comments and things there. They're making my computer slow. Anyways, there is a basically article that says that Chinese New Year coming, and because of that, people cashing out like Christmas. Okay, people cash out and everything. So that's something happening, and this creates a FUD, a fear, and other people will sell as well. So that's what been happening. It just, it just sucks. I missed rebuy. I know happens, and it really sucks when you miss the dips. I missed BNB, Binance Coin. When I saw, I said, wow. Other day I was looking at BNB, trying to get the dip. It wasn't even dipping much. But today, when I saw it was late because I was sleeping. I slept 4 hours. I woke up, okay, and I said, let me just see how's Bitcoin doing. If you haven't watched my video yesterday, I even mentioned yesterday in my video. Let me go to my channel. My computer is slow, very slow. Okay, let me just close these trades. ETC. If you're not following me on Steemit, I think you should. The reason is, I post so many analysis there. If you see, I've always update there about ETC Tron. I gave, it hit the target, everything went well, 20% easy quickly in few hours. And Cardano, I did a video yesterday, and this was the chart, and I showed we can go to touch the yellow line, and if you see right now, we did. Okay, and I bought from there, and I made 10%. I sold, and I'm out. I'm just watching the market and see how the thing's going. Yeah. Thank you very much. Burn it down. I really appreciate that. Not needed anyways. Okay, so other than that, let me just read some comments. TRX, please. TRX already done it. I mean, it wasn't great. I did make 10% on TRX. I'm happy. In an hour time, I made so many coins 10%. I bought at 51 and sold at 55 plus. So I was expecting to go here, but end of the day, looking at the volume of the market, which is really down. Trust me, volume is just so down in the market. The money is going out so much, and there's so much fear, and people selling rather than buying, and that's just not good. And I was out of alts from yesterday morning. I did share my video as well. 1 second, again, let me just get my channel's videos. I uploaded video yesterday twice for Bitcoin update. Once we had a Korea news. The Korea news effect was only temporarily, and then later on the next video. Okay, here's the video. I did Cardano ADA. If you did buy, I said around 5,000. There's a buy, the yellow line, and the chart was posted in Steemit. Okay, here. Video and with the chart posted here with all analysis, very simple and easy to understand. And yeah, here was first update looking bullish, but it was a fake out. I mean, it was just a news effect, and market came back. And here's the late night update, which I showed the market is breaking down again. And other than that, okay, let me just see some coins, and then we'll chat on those coins. Why doesn't altcoin pump when BTC went down? Because the thing is, all altcoins, the whole market is depending on BTC. BTC is the one big one, and we trade against BTC. Okay, when we trade against BTC, because BTC gets affected, and we see red in the dollar value, and people get panic and then sell. Simple formula. I mean, it's all emotions. Okay, that's why up and down both sides there are emotions. People, this market is full of panic people, traders, whatever you want to call them, because it's so new. They are investor, trader people. You can't say who are they. Right now everyone is just jumping and putting their money in. It's hard to say they are investor, trader. They don't even know themselves what they are. That's what leads them to lose a lot of money. I made decent money. I woke up even before the breakfast. I made yeah, 1,000, 2,000. Well, I don't know, but I made something like that. By end of the day, I'm trying to grow my BTC rather than dollar value. Okay, I already have enough cashed out on the top. I don't need right now the cash. I need to grow my BTC. So basically, even we go to 5,000, which is maybe possible, 8,000, 5,000, whatever it is good one side. Why? Because it will bring so much money from Wall Street, because they don't want to miss it cheap, and that will be good. Okay, the volume is not there, even that big dip. I mean, we did see volume, and we had daily RSI going so down. Let me just check, change to default 14. Okay, there was one line, damn, that's gone. There was one line that Bitcoin got support at. If you watch my video yesterday of Bitcoin, there was one line here that I drew. Bitcoin got support here. I don't remember what was it, but there was one resistance line. There are so many hidden supports and levels as well that you need to. Okay, there was up here, and then we broke this, and now we're gonna touch this. We need to touch this, because the reason is, then we will be sure that we're gonna get huge volume, because this is 100 MA. Whenever the moving average, we first broke 50 moving average, and we had a lot of support at 50 moving average, and the RSI is bearish. When we break 50, this is 50 line. When we break 50, the market goes bearish, and we are very close to touch our soul area, and like we did here, and that's gonna be very good sign for Bitcoin. And I think the time is gonna take it to touch that. We may hit some levels like this, maybe 8,000, like this trend line. I won't be surprised, really. Like a 786 fib level, and around 8,000 to 9,000. That's highly possible to see. I want to see it, because then I will be sure, and the big traders, the institution money will come in, and they will try to buy this dip, that oversold bounce. They're gonna get that, because that oversold bounce is gonna be huge. It's gonna bring huge volume. I'm really sure about that, because I've seen this with the alts. Oversold volume is just so big, and we can see that in small time frame as well, how Bitcoin reacts on 1 hour, 4 hour RSI bounces. And in the meantime, we're gonna turn around. Everything is gonna be fine. This is just a few thousands more, and then up. End of the day, so many people missed. Okay, and they don't want to miss below 10,000 if it comes, and everyone will buy, and by next week we will be again up 10,000 plus. So I wouldn't be selling or worrying. I will be just playing bounce with altcoins and just trading with them. Joyesh, I can't speak in Hindi. I changed my channel, as I said, made a video. I changed my channel. Okay, buddy, 2 to 3 coins, taking opportunity, Luna, Chinese, you can purchase cash. Okay, buy ETC. Why? Because in March, 5th March, estimated date. Okay, first week of the March, you're gonna get hard fork, and Stratus news is end of this month, so you will miss that. Let's see what news are there. Let's see if we can find any news by when is Luna. Luna, okay, Luna here, how, I don't know. 27 days, it's in 27 days, so what's the date today? So actually 1 month. And yeah, if you buy that, we'll still have few days, a week or two for etc fork, and the hype will be created a lot. I will be buying a lot of etc by then. That's why I did sell my arts today on BTC bounce, because I know this there's so much for it, and market won't recover so quickly. And that's why I said, all right, it's looking green, and I know it's gonna come down again, so let's just sell. Because when you see market jumping like this on 4 hour, 1 hour, like 4 hour, it looks a bit more quicker. Corrections like this, I mean, the jumps always come back, even the halfway. Why comes the halfway? Because if you draw fib level here, from here to there, you see it comes to 50% and goes up, and this is so normal with Bitcoin. I've been drawing so many fib levels, and I know Bitcoin respects so much fib levels, and I have been trading on fib levels with Bitcoin, because whenever it retraces up to test the level to make lower low, it always touch the 0.5 or 618 or 786. Yes, it's best to trade it, but right now at this point I would not trade USDT. It's very hard to say at this point what's gonna happen, you know. People ask me, oh Islam, what's gonna happen? It's so hard to say. We should get bounce here. This was a resistance that when we broke, but now it became support, and we need to get support here. As long as we hold this, we are safe, we are still bullish. But breaking that, it makes us bullish, but you know, not all that, not great things. It will create so much panic in the market, and so many stop losses will trigger below 10,000, and which is not great for the market, hitting stop losses. Amit, I already said about one ETC. I don't know, I'm not sure about others, because it's best to buy coins that have a fundamental reason, because they are the one recover. They will recover fast, and what will they do is they will recover fast and give you more gains. Simple. And let's see in March, what news we have in March. Okay, Goldman is very good coin. Okay, I would really prefer that. I mean, it does have voted. It have a lot of big community as well. Goldman, not much high, but good community. So Syscoin, block market. Okay, you gonna miss Sys. Okay, if it does have sorry, my bad. Why it still says January? It sucks. Filter month. Please select the year. Oh, my bad, guys. I'm sorry. Okay, so we are in March. Oh, Parkcoin. This, don't buy Parkcoin. It's shit. Someone just wake up and saying the news to pump it. It is a dead project. Okay, Moon. No, I wouldn't be looking at that. Parkcoin. Right, Lunar Coin, contribution point, NXT, Action Coin airdrop. No. Let's see if our solar news, you know. We don't want to buy any weak news. I want to see a lot of votes as well. That shows community support. Okay, here is the news of ETC, 5 March, and it's gonna be great. Okay, it's gonna give us good return. This market, if it wasn't dumping by now, we would have been hitting higher levels in ETC. Anyways, give us an opportunity to buy cheap. Porty looks good during the mass. Bitcoin Thailand conference, Ethereum, no. Hedge African conference, nothing great here. Okay, what the news are? Okay, cash block rewards, whole zone, yeah, this can be interesting as well for OK Cash. OK Cash has been down, and because of this old fart, it may go down a lot more, and this can be a good opportunity to buy OK Cash more, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna give us good return as well. Chainlink, wow, Chainlink having conference. Chainlink is a very like, we can't say like it does have very strong investors. I have been watching some video and people have so much confidence in this. One of my friend that never invest more than 1 day or 2 day in a coin, but he invested only in chain coin because he said he read the white paper and he know the technology is very good. But it's only in Ether Delta, or I don't know what exchange, but it's only in one of the exchange, I think. Okay, bust. Oh, okay, you have one more news. You know, low Satoshi coins pump a lot, and there is a lot of votes as well. You can buy bust for hard fork 15 March. Okay, ETC, bust, those are the two coins you should look for. And Chainlink, if you want to buy from Ether Delta, as far as I know. A Yoda business plan by Tokyo, I'm not sure. KuCoin monthly bonus. I'll come to other comments, guys. Let me just reply this because everyone wants to know about this. To what to buy. So you have bust, etc, and for now have this, and we will see others later on. Okay, you can buy EDO. I think it's Edo is in Binance. They have ICO launch, and this is very strong ICO launch on it. I have no idea what this project's on about, but it has a lot of decent vote, and all of them 100%. We can see even source if it's true or not. I should start March 26th to read more. Okay, yeah, it says there. So you can buy Edo as well to create hype. ICO hype's always a lot. Oh my, how can you miss Tron? Coin burn. Can you imagine? Coin burn news. 2,600 votes, that is real. I would not miss this. Coin burn for Tron. I would not miss this. I will buy Tron, a lot of Tron for 31 March. I will buy that dip. This is huge news. Okay guys, you can't miss this because this coin already have huge hype, and this will make it crazy. We've seen EMC2, other coins, the way they pumped it with when there was a coin burn. Okay, again, confirm yourself as well. Okay, don't just depend on me and what I'm looking at. This can be wrong or false news or anything, but you can see 2,600 votes saying 90% people saying that is true news. I'm not sure. Okay, that many people can't be wrong. I don't know, but the Tron mainnet as well. 31 March is very strong for Tron. And Zencash, you can buy. There is a wallet coming. HTML coin swap, that's a very good news as well. So the voting is not great, but Tron, etc, and bust, you need to buy from the dip before the Chinese year finishes, before they come again. Alright, so market USD against, yeah, in bear. You are doing awesome in Steemit. Thank you, Ashish. Can you please mention some good new projects with lots of growth potential? I did Ali Nakwi, I just did. ETC can give you very good profit. Tron, a lot of profit possible. It may go down a bit more, yeah, possible. We will see that. You can buy Zencash, but not now. These coins are to buy by next month in February, end of February, or mid of February. You can buy some and then slowly add up as it goes up or as it goes down. Okay, add up like that way. You can buy Tron, ETC, Zencash, and Bust. These are 4 coins that are very good. I will keep eye on them as well. I will update you guys. Okay, can you please mention the good coin project? Okay, 5,000, then big pump. It can be anything. Okay, when there is a panic selling, you can't say the market will go that down. Okay, it's so hard to predict. After we break 10k, it's so hard to predict the panic selling and the news. You can't even imagine the news articles, the amount of news articles they're gonna say Bitcoin broke 10,000, this and that. That will create the most panic selling. Okay, more than any news out there, any country news. So yeah, okay, my Bitcoin's dumping, and I want to sell my alt etc. Let me see what's the price. I don't want to hold anything because I know there's no point holding anything. Let me see. I will buy again. This is not an issue to buy again. You can always rebuy anything you want. For sake, I missed. How much profit I missed here? Yeah, actually 0.05 profit I missed. Oh yeah, I have only Steam and etc. Steam is still at the same price and etc is just a little bit down. I'm still in profit end of the day. Okay, that's fine, that's not an issue. Other than that, what I was going to talk about is if we break this level, 12,000, sorry, 11,200, if we break that, oh, this is not gonna be good. Okay, we may just test this level. We may come by here or maybe double bottom and then bounce, but we need to now break this. If we want to see Bitcoin bullish, we need to break this high now, and then we will know, okay, the market will have some confidence and we will see a bull volume coming in. Bull will never come in this type of condition. Okay, they are not stupid. Okay, so what is there? Buy rupee coin, electronium very cheap now. Let's see electronium. ETN. Oh my god, the support that electronium have is a huge thing, man. The community, because there is a YouTuber that have 150,000 subscribers. He got big community around him, etc. This shows the community, but the volume is just okay. But there's so many holders. That's the main thing. This market is full of holders. But I'll tell you something. This double top formation is a bearish signal. It can bounce, but a trader, a smart investor would never invest here, because this is a bearish sign. And right now, as long as we don't break this, it's still bearish. Okay, it tested it fine, but now we can go down. Until it doesn't break this, we can't see a new high or anything. We need to break this, and right now I don't see it breaking any soon. I wouldn't touch this right now. Electronium. Hello guys, about Bitcoin I already mentioned. Just wait and see. Okay, it's dumping a lot more and quicker than that's why I sold my coin. I only kept etc. I don't know why I did it. Seriously, it's so hard to even say why I did it. We're going down. I will sell only etc if we break this level, 11,200, but by then it will go to my buy price. I'll just take the risk, because I already sold someone at the top, and what that did is that actually made good break even point. I'm gonna sell some Steam here as well. So there is a huge big sale wall in Steam. I buy Steam for Steam power, but I don't need Steam power. I need more as a Steam dollar to use the boards and all those things. But let's see what happens. I will wait still, because there is a wall. Until that wall is protecting protecting it, that's fine, I don't mind. And yeah, people are dumping etc, but I don't mind that either, because still higher than my buy price, and I made profit already on it. I did sell on the top, at the top. You know, that's why I sell coin. People don't understand. They need to learn these type of patterns. Market, you need to learn the market patterns, how the market works. I know because I've been doing this. I did mistakes, I did everything. But when I tell to people and they say, oh Arslan, you are creating panic. So that's not panic, man. Try to understand the market. It's not always being panic. Okay. Okay, now don't go and sell and then blame me, that oh Arslan said to sell and then that's why we did sell our coins. The volume is not there. The volume we're looking for is not there, and we already make lower low. Sorry, we already made a lower low. We broke this, and that's why we see a higher, bigger red candle, and we need to see and wait. What's gonna happen? You see, I was telling you how the market respect fib levels. We went there, we touched this 618, and then we pull back. And then if we do here the same thing at around 50 and pull back. Right now, it trying to bounce from here, but it broke again. And right now we can expect a double bottom or whatever it is. It may recover this candle and go up. So that's possible as well. It's all, no one can just judge the future right away. Okay, we need to wait and see what's next. Okay, now if it breaks, then there will be next setup. If it doesn't, then a different thing. So we just need to wait, simple as that. There's so weakness in the market. You know, the weakness, you can see the volume is not there. Once we dump, we get the volume, but when you see this part where we should have recovered, we did not. Why? Because look at this volume, it declining, volume just going down. How can the market recover? We need bull volume like green. Look at, we have more red than green, and we can't expect a market to recover, you know. And there is no sign of market to recover in higher time frame. There's only red selling volume. People are just selling it. Where is buyer volume? No, there isn't. You know, it's just nothing to say here. It's just wait and patience. That's all we need right now. I'm not panic at all or anything. That's what I said. I've sold my coins already. I only kept ETC, and which doesn't bother me much, as I said earlier as well. Okay, so Aslan, do you think DNA, I have no idea. DNA T news and rumor is gonna be added in some big exchange. I don't know. I never heard of DNA. I will check it for you anyways. But I wouldn't buy ET, and the guy who said it's cheap, I wouldn't buy at this stage. Whoever says to buy it, seems like it, the way it got power to push up back. But in Cryptopia, I never traded in Cryptopia. It sucks to me. The market should have come here, and this is a very good zone to buy for next move. But I think the bounce we got is from fib levels. You see, exact 618, exact 618. That's why I said fib level in the crypto market are amazing. They work so well. Whenever I buy pullbacks, I buy on 618 or depends on the coin. If there is a lot of hype, it comes here at just one touch 0.5, but there isn't much hype or anything FUD. It comes to 618 or 786. Sorry guys, I'm just sleepy and haven't slept much. Anyways, so yeah, what I was saying is about very cheap. Okay, we've seen this Bitcoin. I think ETCs have an all-time high before hard fork, and rumors Bay would reach 5TX in long term. What do you Bay have a good community around it. So many people was talking about Bay on Facebook, saying Bay, let's buy and this and that, things like this, buy the dip, but the chart doesn't look good. This is not a dip to buy. I wouldn't buy this type of until I don't see a good pattern accumulation area, I wouldn't buy something like, you can say, okay, we pumped here. This looks smaller, but it's not actually. If we go in past time, for example, we seen this pump, and then we go, this is around 50 fib level. We'll just see now. You see, this is around 5618 fib level. We did accumulation and all this, and then a pump. So something like that I want to see. I don't want to buy on that zone like this. And like from here, if we see a simple fib level, and you see we've been touching 618 here, and then yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 times we had opportunity to buy here 618. Once we had it twice here, so means this level is strong. You can buy, or and then buy here and set stop loss just below that. And if it comes down, that's fine. You're gonna lose 2-3%, but the gains are so bigger. That's what I do. I buy and I set my stop loss just below, just below that, depending on the coin and how they are, things like that. Fib level works so well in this market. Right now, if we see fib levels from here to up there, this was a perfect buy, 786, a perfect buy, and from here we can see at least a 14,000. And yeah, you are right, we can see a huge gains here, but it's not possible right now. The market is not in favor of any alt or anything. It's not looking great right now. Anyways guys, I'm not sure. I think I should go out from ETC. You know, I don't want to lose my profit. That's the thing. It's not being panic, it's just being protecting my profit. And right now you see we did test this level. We're at 386. We'll see if we break this, and yeah, and I'll see, then I will go and sell. I'm still in profit. That's why if you can't get the dips, don't buy the top. I sold TRX at 508 Satoshi, and someone in the comment told me that they bought at 508 Satoshi. So I said, really? I sold at that price. I don't know what's going on with TRX. TRX was one of the most hyped coin. The thing is with TRX, they said it's a 10-year project. Can you wait 10 years? This was so overvalued. How can a coin just scam and being on top 10? It was there on top 10, nearly top 10. It doesn't want top 10 yet. Haven't proven anything yet. I wanted to buy at this level for a bounce. I sold already, and I made decent profit already. You know, it's very close to my buy price again. that's the funny thing. And we can see at 430, I think, maybe. If it comes, if I see BTC stable, I may buy again and play the bounce. No. Anyways, bro, I'm not understanding these things. I don't know. Yeah, there are some technical words that is hard to understand. Slowly, so you will get those. I think ETC. Okay, that's fine. We'll understanding education pattern. It's not just about candlestick. In this market, crypto market, you can't just depend on candlesticks. I mean, they are good. Okay, fine, but there's so many other things. Fib levels are very strong ones, and then of course at the support, if we make a good reversal candle, that will be a good deal. As a short term, which coin should have bounced right now? There is nothing. Market is dumping again. Will TRX recover when BTC is stable? No, it won't easily recover. It's a very bearish coin right now, and we need a accumulation zone. and until we don't build that consolidation zone, like we did here, first pump and then like I shown in Bay, we need to see this pattern. Okay, we need to see this pattern to move. We can't just move. Whenever market goes like this and moves, it would never stay up for long. It would never stay up for long. Remember that. When you see a market like this, you need to see a few days being stable around one price, and then will market move well, or making a round shape like this. This is a huge tip that you will learn in crypto, by spending time on an observation of the market and all those things. Okay, bro, fine. I don't know what. Okay, what is a vibe and ADA big news or a chart? Nothing much. ADA is at support, very strong support. As long as it hold 5,000, it's fine. It's safe. ADA as long as hold 5,000 level. ZC Altcoin have a hard fork with Bitcoin private coming end of this month. I don't know, they haven't mentioned any date yet. It's all rumors and speculation for now. SC also hard fork. SC hard fork is not the hard fork. They won't give you any coin on that. Why people don't understand this? Not hard fork are same. Not all hard fork are same. This is different hard fork. Otherwise it would have touched 1,000 plus. That's the problem. People wanna buy SC, XVG. They leave everything else and they buy cheap low Satoshi coins. They don't understand anything else. Why is low Satoshi? There's so much. The supply is so high, and I would prefer to go with higher price, because you wanna get profit in percentage. You don't wanna look how many coins you have. I never ever look how many coins I have. I only look the amount of coins I have and the percentage of profit I made on that. That's it. There's nothing there. How to learn understanding. Okay, you can learn from YouTube. Stratis, you look confidence, man. What's up, Alberto? No, I'm not confused. There's so much going on in this market that makes you confused a lot, because that's what happens. Anyways, Stratis. Let me see how many of you are still online watching me. Okay, so many of you gone already. Why show stream offline? Okay, live. Feel free to share on your Facebook or anywhere you want. I bought Stratis at 130 and I sold at 136. I made a small gain there. I knew this. Okay, here's one of the support of Stratis. Okay, we should hold this level. If not, next level we may see a support is this area at 115k roughly. I have Stratis for a long time in my ledger, and I don't know, I was thinking to sell at 150, then I said nah, just wait, should hold. Stratis is very hard to say. If we break this, sometimes what happens, it gets support at stupid levels. It can get support at this level, it can get support at this level, but this is next point that I'm looking at. It may get support at. If we see a lead waves, it did complete the levels. End of the day, Stratis won't go too much. Stratis may come down here to 115. You can buy more here at this level, 120, 115, wherever it comes. I'm not sure yet. The time will tell. It depends on the market. Let's see. Okay, so it seems like there's not much questions. Okay, it's offline. No, it's online again. From Nash. Steam resumed. Yes, resumed again. Please answer. I said you can buy. You can learn this on YouTube. There's so much knowledge on YouTube. That's where I learn. That's where I learned. So slowly you need to practice a lot, and you can't be perfect at first. It will take time. You will do 100% mistakes. uh, I mean, few times, a lot of time actually. You will do same mistakes, and then you will learn. That's how it works, this market. And it does. AAP is good coin. I mean, the project is a big big name up to it. Oh my god, this volume is huge. This green volume is huge. This one, wow, that's a huge buying here. A huge buying. You see, we had a resistance here, we touched and came back. If we break this, we can do good. The volume is coming good here. Okay, so give me a second. Let me see how the thing's doing. And okay, so in I'm pretty sure it's 10,000 plus in Bittrex. You should move up. We may move up for now and test this a little bit for a while. And if we make a lower low again and come down, we're gonna break this. But now we're gonna push up a few percentage here. It's pretty good gain, 4-5%. I should have changed money and play with this, man. Seriously, it would have been great. These old players that playing with BTC, I mean that trading in bearish, they even sold here. They're just trading and they're selling again. You know, when we see a volume like this, these are the players that sold on top many and just replaying again with it. And right now there's many are selling, and these are panic selling. Those smart traders are already out. RSI of 4 hours is our sold, and this is the reason that we keep getting bounced because of this. But there's not enough buyer support to hold it for longer enough. Okay, there's a news. Just let me see one news. Tokenize electricity code, introducing the code electronic. No, not interested. You can't do anything. You don't need to make it work. I mean, I don't work. Look, mine says only view you. I can't trade BTC USD here because I live in UK. I can only use euro, or I can use pounds to trade or withdraw. I can't use that. Look at the price. Oh my god, £8,500. I should have sold, man. I'm losing a lot of money. I'm sorry guys, I'm feeling so sleepy here right now. Which coin Superman pumped that day? Which coin you know about? He pumped so much. Yeah, he's a big chiller. I mean, he lives near my house. A 20-minute to half an hour drive. The Superman YouTuber lives here, just a half an hour drive from me. And yeah, he's one of my Facebook group member. You guys know him already, and I have been chatting with him, and we had few chats, comments when he had a small channel. I mean, now it's big. I know when he started, I'm with on his channel from start, and I know the way he grown up. I mean, he doesn't know technology, he's just investor, just very good talker, smart talker actually. So he's pretty good, he's doing good job. Superman, This guy, 114,000 subscriber. He had only 8K. And you know, first time when he bought coin, I'll share with you a story. He was like, he doesn't even know what he was doing, you know, back then, because there was a first time he saw bloodbath, and he was, oh, market crash, this and that, and he invested some money there in Polonics back in the days, and then now you can see where he's right now. Expert, okay, expert. This old YouTuber, okay, he's a good guy. I'm not saying old YouTuber only go on speculation. I never follow. I did mistakes. I never follow anyone's advice of buying any coin unless it's my own choice. Okay, Bitcoin haven't broke yet, and the coin is recovering again, etc. So I don't mind, you know, as long as it doesn't break that level, I don't mind. Okay, so please answer. Bro, I'm following you since my you need to learn. Okay, that's the only thing you need to do. You need to learn. Go on YouTube, find tutorials. Only learn. You shouldn't be basically, you shouldn't be following any advice of buying coin. You should be learning only, and buy with your own research, with your own technical analysis. Okay, if they say buy this top coin, this and that, don't. Not sure if it's going under 10,000. No, not sure. Not sure. Sohail, I'm not sure. ZCL, everything right now is weak. Lack of volume. Big players are not. I can't see big players in the market. Those volume spike, I can't see those. We need those, and I can't see those. And because of that, it doesn't give me much confidence. We need volume spike, a green candles, big ones, a pump, and there is nothing there right now, which shows the fear in the market and everything. Thanks, bro. When you came, makes me very happy. You're welcome, man. How much? APPC needs to break that level. The yellow line is shown, the trend line. It needs to make that that descending trend line. It needs to break this in to go up. Okay, next level we can see around 18 0.0. What the heck? Oh wait. I'm looking. What is doing, man? I was looking at BTC by showing me the BNB chart. Bro, in my country GTX now. Oh my god. This is not looking good. Oh my god, I'm so sleepy. I think I should go sleep right now. We may test this, and then break it, but before that we need to break this level. This level here. We need to break this level. It might have to go up, and won't be easy to break either. You know, this area is pretty strong area for it to break, to make new high, higher high, and then we'll see. End of the day, there is a huge dump. There was a good buying volume here, buying volume here, but there's not too much of selling volume, but we've seen the sale off. What else is there? Give me a second. Let me just place this. That's fine. I think that's done. I don't know why I go offline always, like time to time. Maybe Bitcoin will go there, but I'm not sure. You know, end of the day, you need to be ready for everything. Okay, that's the thing, that's the game ahead. You need to control yourself and you need to know what you're doing. Why the whole market is doing bloody today? Because of the FUD, fear, panic selling, everything, anything you wanna call. There's everything right now in the market, everything possible to get. Though ATN is not looking good so far. Okay, ATN is not looking, the chart is not looking good. How, you know, people hate me because it has a lot of support. They hate me, and this is a bearish. Look at Ripple chart. It's doing the same pattern as this. Double top and then bounce. So many times I've seen this pattern, and then it will go down. This is just a hype right now. People will start selling at some point. They think it's gonna go up forever. No, never. I went to sleep 6 a.m. as well. Will Bitcoin reach 8K? And there is a reason. Every dip, every day. Yeah, there is a reason. So much reasons. Like same news again and again. Bro, API is safe to use. Yes, it is safe. If you haven't joined this Coinigi, you get 30 days free. The link is under this video. You can join that from that link. Why don't you take a nap, sir? I will. Maybe not. I don't sleep at daytime. I will just sleep at night now because I haven't slept much today. Bitcoin broke me out. There is some connection with me and Bitcoin. Whenever there is a market dump, I'll wake up after the red candles start happening. I'll wake up somehow. I see the mobile. Somehow I do. There is always dump there, because there is an app tap trader. I just see that and I see what the fuck. So that's what happens. There is some connection with me and the market. Whenever there is a crash, I'll wake up. Even I slept 5 hours, 2 hours, 8 hours, or 10 hours. I just wake up. And that happened when China banned exchanges, China banned ICO, when recently we had a crash, and now today. API is basically, 1 second. API is a code you get from your exchange like Bittrex. You put it here in Coinigi and you can directly trade from here. We have a section here to trade. Okay, you can trade here, all data here. You can see the prices. You can buy, sell from here using API. Simple as that. I'm not sure. I don't want to answer say anything at this point if it's good or buy or not. I don't want to be your financial advisor or anything. If you can wait for the confirmation. The thing is, our buy wall is so huge. Maybe it can be fake, but the buy wall comparing to sell wall is every person. The weak hands, I used to see a big sell wall here. The weak hands are getting out slowly. They're just getting out that game, and yeah, that's what's happening right now. This is getting out of the game. The weak hands. We see right now price moving, but we need to break this level at for 12,700, and we need to break this. I mean, end of the day, 13,000 break is a pretty safe guess, and I will see. You know, end of the day, it's very hard to say at this point because look at this candle. We need to see a bigger time frame. We're seeing a long-term thing here, and what we can see is, I think we can see a market testing this, go up slowly, testing this level, 13,400, 13,500. We may test this level here and then go down, and slowly we need a big accumulation zone before we go for a big move. If we just decide to stay here, we can just go like this, and if we move up, fine. If down, fine. Time will tell. As I said, 4-hour RSI is down. Because of that, we're seeing a market, and one more thing, we see a bullish sign here. Again, market is showing a decent bullish sign here. RSI is way above, but we hardly had we almost came close to it. I mean, this shows that not enough sellers, and there's buyers pushing the price up. And yeah, it's nothing, it's not a big sign, but it's just a hope end of the day. We can't depend on one. If we don't break this, okay, we can just come here and test this. We need to break this level to confirm. Okay, we can move a bit more. We can test this level 13,900. If we break this, then we'll do something big. But otherwise, for now, there's not enough volume, buyer volume, to push this price. It's so weak. When there is a selling, there's quick selling fast. When there is buying, look, being market that down, if it had a good volume by now, we would have seen at least one green spike candle, like this red candles, the big ones. There's no big green candle here. I was looking at titanium ICO. I'm not sure, you know, so many ICO. It's like all other shining projects these days. That's what I'm saying. People are scared to buy anything. They are selling. Salpay, I have no idea. Trust me, I haven't got even time. I have Salpay in my wallet, and we will see what's gonna happen. I'm not sure about titanium, you know. There is a good hype around it because there is a reason. I saw a Superman on Twitter. He was tweeting about this. Who wants to see which ICO? There was an option of titanium, and there was option of V power, something like that, and it looks interesting. Salpay, when it will be listed, no idea. I haven't been following much, so it's very hard to say what's gonna happen exactly. We have pretty good pattern. We need to break this. You know, this is a W formation that is pretty strong formation. If we break this here, it's pretty strong signal, but we need to break this level, and there is a labor resistance of this as well, a 50 MA. We need to break this to see a bigger moves. Okay, there's a lot of resistance right now for BTC, and by breaking this, we will break a 50 RSI level as well. That's what's gonna happen. I make my chart so messy because I do so much drawing and all those. Hi, come on, Arslan, what is about CFI? What's up? CFI. Today videos, I'm gonna make a one Bitcoin technical analysis later today, and I'm gonna make a video on DTube. Okay. There's a long way to go for CFI. You see this volume, this is a very good volume to see. This volume, accumulation volume, you see this green volume, this shows this market whales are accumulating this zone, and there was buying, so much buying happening here, and we can see moves like 100% moves here. There's long way to go for this yet. I mean, this was the best time to buy. Now it's gonna move slowly, and then the next 5,000, and then 7,000, and yeah, we'll see. We may touch here. It all depends on the hype and the whales. When whales wanna sell, because they are not selling. Why the market is not dumping? Because those guys that bought cheap down there, they want to sell, because they don't want to be selling here and leaving all the profits. They can make profits. They know their game very well. Okay, so what else is there? Any news of Salpe listing? No, I have no idea yet. Say something about Coin. Coin is just dumping. What else you want me to say? I don't know why everyone is ask me on Facebook as well. Should I buy SIA? Should we buy SIA? Why SE Coin always? One second. XRP, I have no idea. XRP is, I have been saying XRP, don't hold it. If you guys been holding it, that's your own mistake. If you're in my Facebook group, I did even a video on YouTube. I think Sayyid, you understand Urdu, so there was a video I mentioned, don't sell your X. Yeah, if you don't listen to advice, then don't ask for advice. That's the problem. People don't listen. Okay, we're making a pretty good pattern here. A cup and handle in SIA, a huge pattern, a very strong pattern. And now from here, if we break this level 850, we can go equal to this level. We can go higher, but end of the day, the possibilities are so low to do that. Very low. 1600. No one knows when SIA is gonna go up. It looking bad here. Not looking good. No, brother. I don't have any news on Salpe listing yet. They're gonna list this month somewhere time. I use Bittrex and Binance, any of these, but mostly Bittrex, because I'm very used to it, and I don't trade much either. I trade here and there, not much. I can't speak Urdu Hindi. I mean, of course, there's many other watching as well. So, sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah. Tell me about breakout. How is Wasim? Why did you buy breakout? I don't know why people buy coin without any reason. You know, that's the thing. And oh my god, you know, that's what happens with these coins. They give you huge profit and huge losses as well. You bought on the top here. Seriously, can you not see this big move? Can you not see this big move? It looks small, but it's a very big move. It started from 2000. You buying 8000. Come on, man. It started this move at December 17th December, 1 month ago only. I don't know what to say. Nothing to say here, brother. I don't know. I don't want to say anything. Music coin is down as well. Why everyone asking you for low Satoshi coins? Why asking for these type of coins? Look, this have done. Yeah, there's nothing to say here. These type of movement, you shouldn't be buying this. This is not a question to ask. I never buy this. This is shit to buy. Buy movements like for example, this chart looks so messy. It's just pump and dump. So very hard to say what I want to explain. You miss you're gonna go up. Nothing for now. Wait for Chinese Lunar year for next month. We may see a more panic market being panic and things like that. Yeah, we may see that. I wouldn't be buying anything for hold except ETC if it holds well my position. If you start dumping, of course, then I wouldn't be interested in that. Oh my god, oh my god, we are making double top. There is a double top here. Boom. A sell sign here. 100% sell sign. I would be selling here. This sign at double top. Let's see. It is a huge buy volume. Where is the sell volume, man? This was a sell volume, but this had the bulls converted this to a buy volume. They still have potential to go up, but we did see a huge selling at this point. This is a signal to sell. This doji candle, the reversal sign, and that's why we've seen the selling, and this was a confirmation. Okay, that's fine, we're going. But newbies bought again, and again we're still making a lower loss. Okay, if you see, we couldn't close on top of this. This is first high, then this is second high, and this candle is closing down, and if the next green one closed down, this is a confirmation that we may go down, and we may see that. I'm not saying we will, but it can be a consolidation area only. But end of the day, if you see BTC, when it was around 15,000, we seen a move and pull back, and then a move. Okay, we can use right now RSI level, and and then we'll see how the strength of the market, and it will show a sell or hold. Like, okay, the market 100% showing weakness, 100%, exact same as Bitcoin. Okay, let me show you why. Let's go to 1 day. You see Bitcoin, we had a first move here and then a pullback. We had RSI topping here, and then we had a next move, all-time high. RSI was down, topping here, and was going down. Means there is a weakness in the market, and the same thing happening here. We seen a top here, but then we keep moving. These are the newbies that are buying, and there's a lot of weakness. There's more selling going on, and that's why it shows the market pressure is down. So this is a 100% sell sign at this. But end of the day, I'm telling you, this is not advice from me to sell. I'm just saying this is a sell sign. You get what I mean? Sell sign. The technical analysis shows there is a doji reversal candle, there is a double top, 2, there is a RSI bearish diversion, 3 sign of selling. I don't know what else I can take from here, but so far 3 sign of selling. It's all up to you, my friend. Neocoin shows 3 sign of selling. We may see a small, we already seen here a push up. We may see here and then slowly this, boom. When we broke this, once we break this, then you will see proper sell off, like big one. So far it's fine. If you want to take risk of 10-15%, it may give you more gains. Who knows? VTC no movement up to now. Neo bro 500 soon. Okay, that's fine. Maybe Neo will go to 500. Hey Kumar, tell me, sir, alts will going to go. No one knows when alts will go up. But next month, very hard to say. I think I sold because it's already hit it month already. Cool, man. You did really good job. Waiting for another re-entry. Wait long enough, okay? I would not recommend you to get enter very quickly in this if you wanna. Oh, unless you, yeah. Waves coin. XVG I already mentioned. XVG is not looking great. Let me just drink some water. XVG is buy sign. It looks a decent. A strength showing candle. Broke a very strong support, Where did we get support? We got support here at this level. Pretty good. We got support at this level. We are at our soul zone, and that's one more signal of buying a bounce. Very bad chart, very bad chart. We had high, then lower high, then lower high. This shows the market is bearish. Okay, the market is bearish, and it's gonna get closer and closer, and there's gonna be accumulation, consolidation area, and then we will see a market making higher highs. We've been making lower highs here, and this is a pure sign of, all right, market is not, doesn't have enough push to go stay top. Right now, let's see what fib levels have to say. We've been holding here once, twice, so once here, we bounced from here there, and then the panic selling that pushed the price down, even price down, but we did close, I think, on top. Yeah, we did close on top. We can recover. If we recover this and make it green, it can make it looking good. Okay, because it's bouncing from 618%, and that's very strong fib level. We need to see a bounce here. Okay, if there's enough bulls bias, we need to see this green candle. If this makes green candle, then you can see a good move from XVG, and I can see a decent bounce, man. You can play a 10%, 15% bounce here. Very nice bounce here. If there's enough bulls, the candle is gonna close in very long time. It takes 1 hour or something. Okay, so for example, in 1 hour, if we break this level, we can see a touch of this level roughly. Okay, a test of this level, and you can make a small profit here around we can see a bounce of 1 second. What I was saying? Okay, you know something I want to share, that's what I was sharing. You know, you see this, we went down from here to here, but RSI went up from here to here. This shows the sign of reversal. Okay, that's why I look on BTCs down from here, but it shows a weakness. There's just selling, and the buyers will go up, and there's buyers coming in here and showing the strength. There was only selling going on and the huge selling, and then the buyers are showing up, and that's why it's showing the strength here of buyers, and that's why the RSI, I'm not sure 100% about each and everything about RSI, but the basic, that's what we use for, and it works. Okay, if we break this, it's a sign of getting in and make 10% roughly, 10% easy gains. Okay, we're moving well with Bitcoin. You see, it's just matter of see if we're gonna break that level. No, they're not trash. XVG, I don't know. I don't want to say anything. Sorry, miss your previous explanation, as never went down few minutes. Thanks for sharing your thoughts. You're very welcome, Andy. And I want to learn technical analysis. Suggest me. You can learn from YouTube, or you can buy courses. There's few courses online. By the end of the day, you will learn more with your practice rather than others' courses. And BTC going up, I know, I'm watching it. ETH hold, yes, sell. It's up to you. It depends if you're holding long term. I mean, I don't understand people like they buy, but when it comes to sell, they ask others. I mean, I'm not laughing or saying anything. I mean, what I was gonna say. Don't buy if you can't hold, or if you don't know your strategy or plan. Don't just randomly buy things. Okay, that's what makes you get burned. That's why people get burned. They don't know. Maybe I've seen so many people they're selling where I was buying, they are buying there. Sorry, where I was buying, they're selling there. Where I was selling, they're buying there. So that happened. Yesterday, when the coin came down, it was a buy zone, and the guy did sell there. I said, "What? Really?" EDC coin, please. VTC, sorry. The market is showing some strength, very nice strength. I'm happy to see that. VTC is it just hit double bottom, a weakness. Nothing great, nothing too good. It's not looking great. I don't know. It's not looking great. So many bounces. The volume, if you see volume, is keep going down. See this? It's keep going down. If there's no volume, the market is not gonna do anything. If there's no volume. Okay, so steam, it came down pretty good. Nice. Okay, so how many do we have live? Oh, 29 of you. Waves coin is a very good coin, one of my favorite coins, but I'm not sure what it's gonna do in future and these coming days, because when there's panic selling, you can't predict anything. I already explained you, Matin. You can't buy any coin right now. I mean, it's a very risky thing. Okay, you can buy burst coin for next sale in the March, sale month of the March. You can buy ETC sale first week, like first 2 days of the March. Buy burst coin, sell that mid of the March. Okay, before at 13th 14th March, and buy TRX. Not now, wait. Everything that I'm saying, wait. By end of this month, if the more dip happens, you can buy slowly more and more, and buy TRX. It has a news as well of coin burn. That's a huge news. Okay, I will be accumulating myself TRX, and you can buy Zencash. They have a mobile application. You can buy HTML5. They have CoinSwap. It's not, I don't know if it's big news, but TRX have 2 news. You can buy those coin, and yeah. You know, sometimes I don't even need to draw lines to know what market can do and what's doing. You know, right now the way coins are falling, it's just not a good pattern to buy, not a safe buy, unless we hit a trend. There is no trend line that going on that will give us anything, because we broke the trend line here and huge sell off, and there is no trend line. So for example, if I try to draw there, it broke as well. You see, we broke that line as well. So there is no support here. This is a dead zone. It tried to recover from here, it couldn't, and it just dying here right now. It's very dangerous area, and I always have stop losses below this. Tom will tell what's gonna happen, man. I'm not sure. Should I buy BTC now? Very hard to say. If you buy BTC now, you should have got the dip. Wait for the breakout, and then we'll buy. Which version of Binance actually you use the chart for trading basis? I don't use those. I use Coinigi. The link is under this video to use this. You get 30 days free trial. How much invest in Hashflare minimum amount? I don't know. I don't use Hashflare. I don't use those cloud mining. Yeah, I think that's it, guys. I will go now. And I will let you stay with BTC and stay positive, stay strong. Don't do panic selling. Okay, BTC, we need more strength. A lot more strength than now. I mean, we need a huge buys, which is not coming. Let me just share with you a small time frame. What small time frame is saying? 15 minutes. We can't cross this, you know, that's the problem. We can't cross these levels. If you cross this, okay, wait 1 second, wait. Yeah, we need to cross this. If you can cross this, they will be pretty good thing actually. Time will tell, man. The sale volume is so big compared to the buy volume. Only a small buying going on, little by little. That's it. That's all is happening, and we keep making lower lows. Okay, from here we've been making lower highs and lower highs. That's what keep happening. We need to make a higher high. We need to break this zone, and break higher and cross this level as well, 13,200, and break up and close here and slowly move up. For that we need a low. There's no green volume except this, a spike that shows us a good strength in the market, and when that happened, this spike, sorry guys, I will just go now. This been too much. I didn't expect I'm gonna feel that sleepy. I never do actually normally, because I sleep so much normally. Find yourself risky, but you see. Yeah, man. Bounce from current price to that's nice. Anyways, thank you guys for being here, and thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in next video. Make sure do share with your friends. It's gonna help them end of the day. Share on your walls, and make sure do subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I'll see you guys in my next live or video. I'm gonna try to upload more video today. Take care and bye. Have a nice day, and yeah, stay profitable.